Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Today we will discuss RNA. What is RNA? RNA is ribonucleic acid. RNA is a single-stranded uh, genetic molecule. Ribonucleic acid is a polymeric molecule. It is implicated in a varied sort of biological rule including decoding, regulation, and expression of gene. DNA, also known as deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA ribonucleic acid are nucleic acid, and along with protein and carbohydrate constitute the three major macromolecules essential for all form of life. Like DNA, RNA is a symbol as a change of nucleotide, but unlike DNA, it is more often found in nature as a single strand folded onto itself rather than a fair double-strand. Cellular organisms use messenger RNA to convey genetic information using the letter which is known as guanine, adenine, uracil, and cytosine to denote the nitrogenous bases guanine, adenine, uracil, and cytosine that direct synthesis of specific protein. Many viruses encode their genetic information using RNA genome. Some RNA molecules play an active role within the cell by catalyzing biological reaction, controlling gene expression, or sensing and communicating response to cellular signal. One of these active processes in protein synthesis, a universal function whereby messenger RNA molecule direct the assembly of protein on ribosome. This process uses transfer RNA molecule to deliver amino acid to the ribosome, where ribosomal RNA link amino acid together to form protein. Each nucleotide in RNA contains a ribose sugar with carbon number 1 through 5. A base is attached to the one position, in general adenine, cytosine, guanine, or uracil. Adenine and guanine are furan, cytosine and uracil are pyrimidine. A phosphate group is attached to the 3 position of one ribose and the 5 position of the next. The phosphate group have a negative charge each of physiological pH, making RNA a charged molecule. Fully, the bases form hydrogen bond between cytosine and guanine, between adenine and uracil, and between guanine and uracil. However, either interaction are possible, such as a group of adenine bases binding to each other in the bulge, or the GNRA tetraloop that has a guanine adenine base pair. An important structural feature of RNA that distinguishes it from DNA is the presence of hydroxyl group at the 2 position of the ribose sugar. The presence of this functional group causes the helix to adopt the A form geometry rather than the B form most commonly observed in DNA. This results in a very deep and narrow major groove and a shallow and wide minor groove. A second consequence of the presence of the 2 hydroxyl group is that is conformationally flexible region of an RNA molecule that is not involved in the formation of a double helix. It can chemically attack the adjacent phosphodiester bond to cleave the backbone. RNA is transcribed with only 4 bases: adenine, cytosine, guanine, and uracil. But these bases and attached sugar can be modified in numerous ways as the RNAs mature. Pseudorhodine, in which the linkage between uracil and ribose is changed from a carbon-nitrogen bond to carbon-carbon bond, and ribothymidine are found in various places, the most notable ones being in the T loop of tRNA, transfer RNA. Another notable modified base is hypoxanthine, a deaminated adenine base whose nucleotide is called inosine. Inosine play a key role in the Wobble's hypothesis of the genetic code. There are more than 100 other naturally occurring modified nucleotides. The greatest structure diversity of modification can be found in the transfer RNA, while pseudorhodine and nucleosides with 2-O-methyl ribose often present in the ribosomal RNA are the most common. The specific role of many of these modifications in RNA are not fully understood. However, it is notable that in ribosomal RNA, many of the post-transcriptional modifications occur in highly functional regions such as the peptide transferase center and the subunit interface, implying that they are important for normal function. The functional form of a single-stranded RNA molecule, just like protein, frequently require a specific tertiary structure. The scaffold for this structure is provided by secondary structure elements that are hydrogen bond within the molecule. This leads to several recognizable domains of the secondary structure called hairpin loop, bulges, and internal loop. Since RNA is charged, metal ions such as magnesium plus 2 are needed to stabilize many secondary and tertiary structures.